So, you have an Oculus Quest 2 and a DJI mini drone. Well, I'm going to show you how you can combine the two using an app called AirScreen, where you can conduct live FPV. That's right, FPV. All you need is your DJI controller, Oculus headset and controllers, and drone, and you're all set. Just that simple. I'll show you how. Here on TechOPS. From your computer, go to SideQuestVR.com to download the SideQuest software. Select the appropriate link for the system you use. Next, Google AirScreen APK to get the appropriate file for Oculus. The first suggestion that pops up is the one you'll use. Click the link labeled Download APK to proceed in downloading the APK file for use for your Oculus. Once the APK file download has completed, proceed to the SideQuest app. Move to your right for the install APK file from photo on computer to retrieve the APK file. Look for the run command folder to indicate red, letting you know that the file is in the process of being downloaded. Once the APK file finishes uploading to the SideQuest app, it will indicate green. Look for the newly installed AirScreen application under the currently installed applications option next to the folder. Now proceed to put your Oculus headset on, and let's look for the newly installed AirScreen app. Just a quick note, just make sure your Oculus and your device is connected onto the same Wi-Fi network. Now turn back to your device and start the screen mirroring process. Pick the option that is labeled AirScreen Quest to begin to connect the Oculus to your device. Your device should be connected and you should be able to see whatever your drone sees in your Oculus headset. Thank you for watching the video, and if this video helped you conduct live FPV using your Oculus and Mini2 drone, then please like, share, and subscribe to TechOPS for more videos like this in the future.